guys, we got a little more snow, but it's been raining now since the morning, since the sun came up, so all the snow's melting. So we got a little bit of new rain, or new snow, but it's all melted. Now it's like a big mess down here now. Got the GoPro going. Check to see if we got any eggs. Unless they broke them. It's definitely possible. It's on your beak. That's not part of an eggshell. We got our duck egg. Becoming a daily occurrence. Oh, it feels like it just laid. Pretty warm. Get this feather off. I don't see any other eggs. Like I said before, ducks are only lay in the morning. Like right when the sun comes up. Chicken's more afternoon kind of thing. Hey guys. I guess the duck egg production's really kicking up. Interested to see if anything's fertile or not. It might be too early. Oh, this. I don't know if Bucko's trying to pick a fight or trying to mate. So these eggs could be fertile actually. Oh, we actually see some mating. Okay, these eggs could be fertile. Everyone stands there and watches. That brown duck does not want that happening. I don't know what's going on with them right now. Yeah, these eggs possibly could be fertilized now. What's Oreo doing? That brown duck does not want anything going on. Oh, Bucko. So hopefully the eggs will be fertile. Maybe actually might be already. Who knows? Maybe that's why she's so banged up. Who knows? But I don't have any intentions of incubating eggs until at least March. So we'll see. A lot of chickens are actually out. I'm surprised. Just have some water. You can see chickens been out there digging, dust bathing and digging holes. So yeah, guys, also you guys got an interesting time lapse too. It's at night this time. We got a little bit of snow. It's a different kind of time lapse. Changing up a little bit. I'm still working on trying to figure out how I'm gonna do the live stream. It could come again next week, maybe months or so. We'll see if I start doing test runs. You guys will know on my channel if I start doing test runs. Going back for round 2. This is how the tripod always falls over. So I probably have to move the tripod because the tripod's in the middle of everything and they're just gonna knock it over. Ducks being frisky. Guess we got the weather's a little bit warmer. So we'll see what happens there. I think it actually could be fertile already. Who knows? So guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken duck update, and I will see you guys again here tonight. Okay, ducks, it's time to go in. Oh, they are in. Well, that's the first. That's the first time I've come down here and there's no one outside. Take the GoPro. Wow, this is a first. Well, everybody's inside. Good ducks, you're trained. Good job, ducks. Hi, chicken. Hi. Silky, this one does not like me. This chicken does not like me whatsoever. Hi. I know you don't like me. But at least you like me. why. I don't know why Miss Silky is not like me. I'm kind of sad about that. Let me get the duck in here. Confused on how to get in. Okay, guys. So we hope you guys enjoyed today's chicken update. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching.